everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a toilet paper roll caterpillar. The supplies you'll need are scissors, a hot glue gun or tape, markers, and paper. So let's get started. First, you'll cut the toilet paper rolls into rings. Just like that. If you're using scissors, please have a parent to help you because you could really cut yourself. If you don't have colored paper, you can use markers to color the paper in whatever color you like. As you can see, I'm using yellow. And then you hot glue the toilet paper rolls on the colored paper. If you're using a hot glue gun, always have a parent to help you because you could really burn yourself. And then you stick them on the paper. Just like that. Again, be very careful with the hot glue gun because you could really burn yourself. Repeat this step with the rest of the toilet paper roll rings. Okay. Once you got all the toilet paper roll rings on the paper, cut them out. Again, be very careful with the scissors because you could really cut yourself. Just like that. If there's any excess paper, cut it off. Just like that. Repeat this step with the rest of the toilet paper roll rings covered in paper. Once you got these cut out, hot glue the toilet paper roll rings close together. Just like that. Repeat this step with the other circles. Once you got the circles glued together, it should look like this. And now you glue it on the paper. As you can see, I glued 3 pieces of paper together. Since this is the long caterpillar, and here's what the final product looks like. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.